In this video, we're going to be talking about the Revvl 6 Pro 5G 1 week later. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the Revvl 6 Pro 5G. We went over the 1 week later of the regular Revvl 6 5G. So if you guys want to see that, I'll leave the link in the description down below. But going into the performance, and I think you guys are going to be a little surprised about this, but the performance on this device really has not changed between the Revvl 6 5G and the Revvl 6 Pro. I don't think there's really any difference. They both have the Dimensity 700 processor. Obviously this has 2 gigabytes more of RAM, so we have 6 gigabytes of RAM in this device compared to the Revvl 6, but the performance, the productivity, and everything else has not changed at all. And as far as the gaming goes, you know, contrary to what some people might believe, gaming does not perform better on this device. And we can see, we can't even load Call of Duty Mobile right now. So I don't know, it just crashes. And the thing is, we do have an update, and we're going to be updating this device. As you guys can see right there, we have a small update, hoping that it fixes some of the bugs on here with the gaming and such, but performance between this and the Revvl 6 have not changed at all. I do like that this has a stock Android experience. I don't think that a lot of phones in this price tag do have that type of experience, so it's great that we have that on here. Obviously, very little bloatware on this device as well. We just have our Metro applications, and if you're at T-Mobile, you're just gonna have the T-Mobile bloatware on here. As far as the camera goes, the camera is going to be better than the Revvl 6 as far as the features we have on this. So we do have a wide angle camera, and instead of the 13 megapixel main we have on the Revvl 6, we actually do have a 50 megapixel camera. So we can actually take a hold of that and take some pretty high pixel density photos on there. But as far as our wide angle camera on this, that is what's going to be the defining point of this camera, is that we're gonna have that on here and not on the Revvl 6. But as far as quality goes, I don't think it's that much of a difference. Only thing that's going to be really different and significant is that wide angle camera on here. But as far as the quality, again, not much better than the Revvl 6. I believe both devices have the same sensor as well, so that's probably the culprit for that. As far as like watching movies, watching TV shows, watching videos and stuff like that, I've had a better experience on here. Was able to watch it on a bigger screen, obviously, so we have a 6.8 inch screen instead of a 6.5, so I really do like that we do have a bigger screen on here. So if you guys are wanting a super cheap phone, like I got this for $120 on a deal, if you guys want a super cheap phone that you can just watch movies and consume social media and certain stuff like that on, this is going to be one of the devices for you. I think the Revvl 6 Pro 5G is definitely one of them. If you guys are wanting obviously a bigger screen, get this one for sure. I don't think it's worth the $50 extra retail, but if you guys are already getting a huge discount or getting it for free, obviously get this one. But smooth experience so far, smooth experience, nothing changed from the Revvl 6. Obviously this does have wireless charging as well, and the weird thing is I couldn't get it to work on one of the chargers that I had. It is a pretty old charger, but I could not get the wireless charging to work on the Revvl 6 Pro 5G, so that may be a little, you know, wireless charging gate that we need to make a video on later on, exposing that it doesn't. But you know, as for now, I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. I just ordered another wireless charger, so we're going to be utilizing that on this device, and we're going to be seeing what happens. The other thing about this device is we do have NFC on here. I really want to check if Google Pay does work on here. That would be great. We have an incoming call. Let's answer. Hello? But yeah, the other thing that we have on here is NFC. That is something that I really don't use too much, but obviously we're gonna have to use this in the future. It's going to be all contactless payments, but we do have NFC and wireless charging, like I said before. Great that we have that on here. If you guys do want something like NFC or wireless charging, I would go obviously with the more expensive device, the Revvl 6 Pro 5G, but if you guys don't care about that, go with the Revvl 6. As far as everything else goes on this device though, I think it's been an okay experience, especially at the price tag that I paid for, you know, under $200. But I have a bunch of other devices that I can recommend if you guys want something better than this, and if you guys are going to spend a little bit more money. But so far, I think this is a really just basic plain Jane device. I don't really have any issues with it. It's just super basic, and it's okay. It's an okay phone for the price, obviously. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Peace out, Tech Gang.